Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching TechMate Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the chat swipe gestures to delete. So if you are swiping the chat on the Telegram app, so you can delete by using this gestures. If it is on the achieve option, you can just change to delete gestures by using this simple technique. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to change the chat list gestures to delete on Telegram. For an example, I just going to swipe here. You can see the option, it shows as pin. So I just need to change this swipe gestures as a delete. So click on the three dot option on the top. Now just go inside the setting option. After going inside the setting option, you just need to click on the chat setting. So after clicking on the chat setting, you just scroll down to the bottom section and you will see chat list swipe gestures. Just change those to delete. So you can see now it shows the delete option. So if it is on something else, you just change to delete option. So it will now work it on the delete. So come back and now you just swipe it and you can see it's actually shows the delete option. So this is how you just use the swipe gestures as delete on your Telegram app. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.